Hey everyone! Today we're taking a look at one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones of the year, the brand new Redmi Note 15 Pro. The Redmi Note series has always been known for bringing flagship-like features at a mid-range price, but this year, Xiaomi seems to be pushing things even further. We're talking about a 200-megapixel camera, a super bright AMOLED display, a massive battery, and a powerful new chipset. But the real question is the Redmi Note 15 Pro actually worth buying in 2026? The Redmi Note series has been one of Xiaomi's most popular smartphone lineups for years, and the Redmi Note 15 Pro continues that legacy by bringing some serious upgrades compared to the previous generation. This phone is designed for people who want strong performance, great cameras, and long battery life without paying flagship prices. The design of the Redmi Note 15 Pro looks clean and modern. The phone features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on the front, giving it a more premium feel. It also comes in several stylish colors like black, glacier blue, mist purple, and titanium. Even though it has a large battery, the phone remains slim and comfortable to hold. One of the highlights of this phone is the display. It features a 6.83-inch AMOLED screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations feel incredibly smooth. The display also supports HDR10+ and can reach up to 3200 nits peak brightness, which means it stays visible even under bright sunlight. Performance is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra processor built on a 4-nanometer architecture. With 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage, the phone handles everyday tasks smoothly. Apps open quickly, multitasking feels responsive, and most games run without major problems. The camera is another major highlight. The phone features a 200-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, allowing it to capture detailed and sharp photos. There's also an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera for landscape shots and a 20-megapixel front camera for selfies and video calls. The phone supports 4K video recording, which is great for content creators. Battery life is excellent thanks to the large 6580 mAh battery. For most users, the phone can easily last more than a full day on a single charge. It also supports 45-watt fast charging and reverse charging for powering other devices. The phone runs Android 15 with Xiaomi HyperOS 2 and includes several AI features such as AI image editing, AI object removal, AI sky replacement, circle to search, and Google Gemini integration. Overall, the Redmi Note 15 Pro offers an excellent display, strong battery life, a powerful camera system, and solid everyday performance. For people looking for a reliable mid-range smartphone in 2026, this device is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.